Alright guys, we're here at Disney Springs and we're gonna try out that mac and cheese food truck. I've been trying to get to it for quite a while now, so we're here. I'm gonna do it, so let's get going. No. I'm getting the 6 cheese.
I'm getting the...
Alright, can I get the 6 cheese crunchy mac and a lobster mac? Mac Daddy? Like, Mac Daddy? Alright, so we got 2 tiny things of mac and cheese here at Disney Springs. $22. $22. This better be the goddamn best mac and cheese I've ever had in my fucking life. Alright, so here we go. Mac and cheese food truck. Mac Daddy's about to be called up.
Mac Daddy!
Mac Daddy?
You want the vlog?
Yes. Here's the first one. Lobster. Lobster.
What do you want?
Tampa is life. On Instagram.
On Instagram?
Yeah, check it out.
I might have to check it out.
Yeah, you should. You ever had this place?
Yeah, I have to get the barbecue mac and cheese.
Oh, the guy?
Mac and cheese, you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Out of 1 out of 5 stars, what would you give it?
I give it 5.5.
5.5? Wow! 1 out of 5. 5.5. That's impressive. Mac Daddy number 2? All right, thank you. All right, thank you. All right. We got the 6 cheese mac and cheese here. So it's got 6 different kinds of cheese on it, including Cheetos. Get some good looking here. I got its first impression. Watery, drippy, does not look very appetizing. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed to start off. By the way, this was like a $10 mac and cheese. And look how watery. I mean, that's just... I don't think this is gonna be good. Alright, here we go. First bite. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything in there. No. No. Alright, I'll give it one more shot, but I gotta tell you, it's liquidy, it's not creamy. I don't even feel like I can barely taste the Cheeto. It's just not, I don't know. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on this mac and cheese. One more bite. I'm gonna give it one more shot. For the amount of time that I had to wait, on top of the price, this is a huge disappointment. One more try. One more try, Cheeto and all. I want you to make sure you see that I am trying here. I'm gonna get the Cheeto. Here's my thoughts on this mac. Worst $13 mac and cheese I've ever had in my life. Potentially the worst mac and cheese I ever had in my life, and I had to wait that long for it. Absolutely ridiculous. Will never happen again. Thanks, peace and love. Notice how half the noodles don't even have cheese on it. There's not even cheese on this half of the noodles.
The cracker's the best part.